unfamiliar with this project and this is your first time seeing this monstrosity, this is a 1978 CB 750 Honda engine. I've converted it to have a shaft drive output, to a chain drive, to a Volvo 4-speed, to the Plymouth rear end that these tractors come with, I should say. A whole lot of math, science, and engineering that has gone into this project, and very happy with how it's turned out. I think it's still starving for fuel a little bit.
It's not getting enough, running out of fuel, pretty much. Trying to give it a lot of gas, don't be afraid. It's not going to go fast.
It's alive and it drives. As you can see, we had quite a bit of issues with carburation. The factory air box is definitely the best situation that you can have for operational behavior. I know that this can work. I'm gonna have to take the carburetors off and go through them again and see if I'm missing something, because I could have a big old vacuum leak on any one of those 4 adapters that I made. But the mission of today was successful. This machine now exists. It hasn't for almost 25 years. And what I put together here operates. It's pretty smooth, and it is terrifying. So I'm gonna get into the next steps here, trying to get this to run really well. And this whole series was not something that I was able to really film in a way that would make any sense. I just needed to do it, and can have all kinds of fun getting video of this thing in action once it's pretty well sorted out. And I can't wait to put some paint on it. That color right there. Next time you see this, it might be all painted and beautiful, but it'll still be the Fast Garden tractor. Hope you enjoyed and sharing this moment with me and Uncle Al, and catch you on the next episode.